Our mission at Steelmax is to bring innovative and cost-effective solutions to steel fabricators throughout North, Central, and South America, with a product portfolio that covers everything from basic metal cutting and hole making to advanced plate and pipe beveling and welding mechanization solutions. Our products are tools, but our passion is creating solutions that help make our customers more efficient, productive, and ultimately more profitable. At Steelmax, we have 5 core areas of focus: metal cutting, hole making with magnetic drills and hydraulic punches, accurate weld joint preparations for both plate and pipe with a variety of plate and pipe beveling machines, welding mechanization solutions to improve overall welding quality and efficiency using trackless and track-mounted welding carriages, and lastly, welding cell productivity equipment such as wire feeder booms and material handling solutions. Each of these areas work together and form a comprehensive solution set that improves steel fabrication productivity, quality, and safety. We support these solutions with an experienced team of welding industry professionals, both in our corporate offices and in the field, who are always available to help you find the best solution to whatever fabrication challenge you are facing. This team has worldwide experience and has seen and solved many of the challenges you face, whether it is in the shop or out in the field. We understand these challenges, and our goal is to deliver solutions that make your workdays better using our equipment. We work closely with our distribution partners as well as end users to bring new and innovative solutions to the marketplace. We provide training and customer support from our 2 U.S. locations in Colorado and Pennsylvania, and directly at customer locations through our extensive network of sales professionals covering our sales territories throughout North, Central, and South America. We also maintain extensive inventories of parts and consumables to support each of these product lines, so you will never experience significant downtime related to product support. If you aren't familiar with Steelmax's solutions or are only familiar with a few of them, give us a call. We'll be happy to arrange product demos and training at your convenience. You can also see our entire portfolio, including operating manuals and product videos, by visiting our website at steelmax.com. Either way, I think you'll be impressed with what you find.